It's a 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. This amazing Avalanche is loaded with standard features, including Bluetooth wireless, OnStar telecommunications, anti-lock brakes, traction control, dusk sensing headlamps, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and dual-zone air conditioning. You'll get the best of all worlds in this sensational Avalanche, with supreme comfort and refinement, combined with unsurpassed durability and performance.
That's Rockenbach Chevrolet. We're conveniently located at 1000 East Belvidere Road in Grayslake, Illinois, between routes 83 and 45.